loves. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay, so I'm starting my day, and I usually turn on my music to, like, just blasting music or whatever. And something told me not to. And it was like I was listening, and the first thing that came was barricades and demolition. So if you guys have what do they call them, houses, those homes that no one ever lives in, and it's isolated, it's not being used at all. I'm picking up this energy where there is someone barricaded in there. I feel like there is someone that was snatched off the street. I'm picking up a feminine energy. Excuse me, loves. It could be masculine, but I'm picking up a feminine energy. There's someone that's actually keeping someone hostage. It could be an ex-boyfriend or an ex-girlfriend, but I just feel like this person was taken and literally kept in some damn, I can't think of the name of those houses. It's just a house. It could be a building, but I'm picking up a house. Okay, so hold on, because this may be too much heat for my dog. But I'm picking up somebody's in a house. So I feel like this person could be bamming on like metal. Okay, bamming on metal, or if they're tied to some type of pipes or something, they're making sounds with it. And I feel like one of you may think you're hearing something, okay, but you're thinking it's probably you. Or if it's construction on your street, you're thinking it's the construction. But listen very closely. Like, turn your TVs off, turn your music off, and just listen. Because I feel like this person comes to check on the person. Maybe feeding a person, giving them water, whatever. But I feel like this person is have to leave at a certain time. Maybe they work, or they have to be somewhere, or they looking after someone. But when the construction leaves, keep in mind it's quiet, right? It's not as loud, much noise. That's why they're keeping them there, because they feel like if they scream or something, no one will hear them because of the drilling or some type of construction that's being done on your street. And it's an isolated home or a building, but this person is barricaded in there. I don't know if it's the basement or not, to be honest. I just know they're barricaded in there. And this house is going to be up for demolition is going to be taking place at this particular building or home. So just be mindful, because I feel like somebody can save this person. They may start screaming. I pray that they do, but that's what I'm picking up, loves. Okay, so just be very mindful. We don't have any homes over where I'm at, where I'm visiting right now, so it's not in our area, nor my other daughters. So I know it's not them. So it has to be for someone, okay? So I just wanted to let you guys know that. But the first thing I was given was barricades and demolition. I feel like this person has something against this person, or they hate them. Maybe they, I don't know, maybe they, like the energy. I feel like this person dated this person, or maybe this person tried to date them and they shot them down. But that's no reason to kidnap somebody and literally barricade them in there. I don't understand that knowledge, that logic in doing stuff like that. Like, I don't get that. But yeah, so just be careful with that. Please listen. Just listen. I feel like somebody is going to be able to save someone. Okay, that's what I truly feel. When it does happen, feel free to email me. Okay, loves. I love you guys so much. I'm gonna grab me some coffee. I love you guys so much, and have a beautiful day. Okay, weekend is coming close, and I'm actually going to be showing you guys my baby too soon. Okay, love you guys. Take care. I gotta order my coffee. Have a beautiful day, you guys, and know that you're worthy. Okay, know that you're always worthy. Love and light to you guys. Be safe.